Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a real short and sweet one. It's going to be all about the Tuffy JK Tailgate Security Lockbox. And we've been using this thing for the past month or so, and we've come to really enjoy it. It gives us a nice place to be able to store away some of our gear and get it out of the cargo space in the back while keeping things locked up. So it's kind of out of sight, out of mind for those peepers that are looking through your windows when you're at the grocery store and your Jeep's in the parking lot. Just keeps the honest people out. So without further ado, let me show you guys what this tailgate lockbox looks like. All right, so what you have here is the JK tailgate lockbox. It's made of 1/8-inch thick steel and has these two security locks that are, you can code them yourself to whatever you would like. Then you just rotate both of them after they're both set, and then you can open it up. Now, they do say that you can use this section as a table. They do mention do not put more than 40 pounds of weight on the lid itself, but I would trust putting a lot of weight in the actual box itself. It's really sturdy. They do have two removable trays. If you don't like to use the trays, we actually do. You can remove those if you like. They're just little Phillips screws there. You can see there's 3 of them that hold those trays in. And the install is actually really simple. If you see those screws there along the back, there's little plastic tabs that go inside your tailgate. And basically, once you get those in the tailgate, you line up the box, you screw the box in, and then that's basically it. It's got a foam backing in between here and there, so it's not scratching up your tailgate. And that's the lockbox. The locks can be set to where they cannot be picked or the passcode changed, but just a real simple, good product that I thought you guys might enjoy checking out from Tuffy. They did sponsor this video, so thanks to Tuffy for sending us this box, and we're going to continue to use it and be looking out for more Tuffy products in the near future on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.